Hello everyone, this is Parna here. Welcome to my channel Parna's Creation. Today I will show you this cute paper quill finger ring. So let's get started. For this we need 5 mm paper quilling strip, border buddies, crimper machine and glue. Now we will take the quilling strip. I will take the brown 5 mm quilling strip to make the base of the finger ring. Make a circle form according to your finger size so that it can fit easily on your finger. Apply glue to get sturdy and straight. I have applied already. Now we will make the upper part of the finger ring. For that I have taken 2 strips of 5 mm quilling strip and now I will join them together. Now I will place it in the crimper machine to crimp it. Twice I will crimp the paper to get the perfect shape. By using the quilling tool, I will quill it. Now our both parts are ready. Now we will join them together. Put some glue on the base and then place the upper part of the ring on the base. Now it looks like that. You can add some more designs on it. For our second finger ring, we will take 5 mm quilling strip, glue and quilling tool, and then border buddies. Now I will take 3 white 5 mm strip and 3 black 5 mm strip and join them together. Them together, I will quill the paper and make a tight coil. Now our upper part is ready. Put some glue and is completely ready for the ring. Now for the space, I will take 5 mm black quilling strip and border buddies and make the ring of my finger size so it can fit perfectly on my finger. Glue at the edge of the ring so it becomes steady and it can support the whole part. Put some glue on the ring so it becomes more stable. We will join both the part, put some glue on the top and then place it like this. Let them dry completely. I have added some more design on this finger earring. You can make any other of it. You can see how beautiful is it. Now I will put it on my finger. So let's see how it will look. So guys, that's it for today. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel Parna's Creation for more such videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my videos. Thank you.